Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch to an Android phone. First, ensure your Galaxy Watch has at least 50% battery life. Next, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Once installed, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the foundation for your watch's full functionality and integration with your mobile experience. Now, open the Samsung Wearable app on your Android phone. Tap on Start New Device and select your specific Galaxy Watch model from the list that appears. A unique pairing code will then be displayed on both your watch and your phone. Carefully verify that these codes match before confirming the connection. This step securely links your two devices, allowing them to communicate and share data effectively. Once paired, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. It's important to grant all necessary permissions, such as access to notifications and contacts, for your watch to function optimally. Also, carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, take a moment to personalize your watch by choosing a watch face and configuring notification preferences, tailoring it perfectly to your daily needs. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, a simple restart of both your Galaxy Watch and Android phone often resolves them. Always ensure your devices are kept in close proximity, ideally within 1 meter, to maintain a stable Bluetooth connection. Regularly updating the Samsung Wearable app and your watch's software is also vital for optimal performance and security, preventing common connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.